You got this Tidee-Tubb splash guard. It is made in USA, and also the RTV that they give you for the install is also made in the USA. So let's get this installed. So I bought this whole kit myself off of Amazon, and I'll be doing an install and review video of it. Let's get started. And you want to wipe it off, get any soap scum off. And the wall side. And dry it off real good. So these pieces are the curved kind, as you can see there, and they are they only go on a specific corner. So this one will go on this corner here to direct the water back into the tub, and this other one will go on the other corner. I'll just show you the install of this one. So on a dry fit, everything looks like it lines up actually pretty good, which I'm surprised. There's a very small gap at the top when you dry fit it, or if you put it directly up against the wall, there's a small gap down there, but that RTV should fill that in. So here's the RTV that comes with it, and it does have a line that kind of directs you on how to cut it. I'm going to go ahead and cut it there at that line. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply a thin bead on the guard and then place it in place. Now you can remove any excess silicone from the guard with a rag. Alright, now that it's installed, give it 12 hours before using the shower or bath or getting any water on it. If you have any holes in the RTV, as far as any gaps when you installed it, or if there's any leaks, you can just run another bead of RTV along the edge and fill that hole. Been using it for a week now, and it definitely does the job, stops the water, and it's actually pretty solid. So if you accidentally kick it with your foot, it should hold, and I'm happy with it. So buy, made in the USA.